The silent mastery of wealth and success. You have to navigate in discretion. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Vandell Aljarrah, co-founder of Black Swan Capitalists. My brother and I simplify financial markets, digital assets, crypto, currency debasement, gold, and market cycles, sharing the mindset that the 1% elite use when building their wealth. Our goal is to give you an unfair advantage so that you can strategically and intelligently position yourself for success during the greatest wealth transfer in history. When it comes to achieving financial success, mastering the art of silence can be your weapon. Truly, it's your greatest ally. Those who are impoverished, broke people, often share too much, broadcasting their plans, their dreams, and their ambitions for everyone to hear. This openness can actually attract negative attention, attract an evil eye, and create unnecessary risks in your life, making you vulnerable to envy and interference. By revealing too much, you expose your vulnerabilities, allowing others to exploit your ambitions, your weaknesses, and potentially derail your progress and your long-term vision. In contrast, those who've achieved success and wealth understand the power of discretion. They operate quietly, avoiding the spotlight and potential problems that come with it. And this is strategic. It's not about hiding. It's about protecting your vision and actions from distractions and jealousy out there in this crazy world we live in today. The power of discretion. There's a few key elements under this umbrella, and we'll start with the first one. Strategic advantage is what you get when you operate in discretion. By keeping your plans private, you gain a significant edge. You can navigate challenges and seize opportunity without others copying or interfering with your strategy and your plans. This strategic advantage allows you to maintain control over your initiatives, adjusting them accordingly as needed without any external pressures or judgment. The second one is focus and precision. Silence creates a clear mental space for you to refine your goals accurately. Without the noise of public opinion, you can ensure that every move you make aligns perfectly with your long-term objectives and your vision. This enables you to develop detailed strategies and execute them with precision, maximizing your chances of success in this chaotic world. And the third is resilience and learning. Setbacks are normal and inevitable on your journey to wealth. Handling them discreetly allows you to learn and adapt without public pressure or judgment. This protects your reputation and integrity. By maintaining a low profile during challenges, you actually retain the flexibility to pivot strategies and recover without unnecessary scrutiny from the public and from people that are paying attention to what you're doing. The fourth is building trust and relationships. This is extremely important. Thoughtful communication and careful sharing builds trust and credibility. When you strategically share information with trusted advisors or people in your circle, you open doors to valuable insights and opportunities within your network and outside your network. This selective approach of communication fosters strong, meaningful relationships that are truly based on mutual respect and collaboration, and it's essential for long-term success in any business that you're in. Valuing privacy and discretion. The elites and very wealthy highly value their privacy, particularly regarding their plans and aspirations and finances. They take action in silence, building their wealth discreetly without revealing their strategies to those outside their trusted circle. This strategic practice helps them avoid unwanted attention and actually safeguards their families and ambitions from envious eyes. By maintaining this level of discretion, they protect their interests and ensure long-term success for their family and for themselves. The risks of overexposure. Conversely, sharing too much too soon can actually expose you to unnecessary criticism, competition, and potentially make you a target to evil in the world. This openness can undermine your strategic advantage and compromise your path to financial stability and your security. And when I say security, I'm talking about your safety. Revealing your goals, plans, and dreams prematurely can also make you a target for those who may wish to take advantage of your ambitions or do you harm or undermine your progress. Protecting sensitive information about your goals, your plans, your ambitions, your dreams, your finances ensures that you maintain control over your narrative and actions, and ultimately the least amount of risk, and protects you the highest possible way. Now, the importance of selective sharing. Never let anyone know what you're up to unless they're directly involved in your plan. Even then, keep certain information and details to yourself. This not only safeguards your strategies and protects you, but also maintains a level of mystery that can actually work to your advantage. And this applies to all aspects of life, especially business. Avoiding forming alliances or bringing people into your circle who don't share similar values as you, as differing perspectives can lead to conflicts and distractions that actually hinder your progress. So, when you bring people into your circle, make sure that they share similar values as you and morals. The protection of silent strategy. When you build and strategize in silence, in the shadows, others are left in the dark about your actions and your intentions. This ambiguity makes it difficult for competition or adversaries to target you effectively. They won't be able to because they don't have enough information on what it is you're doing. Without knowledge of your plans, they can't develop counter strategies, or they can't interfere with your progress and your goals. This is a layer of protection that allows you to advance unimpeded, focusing on your objectives without the worry of external attacks from jealous people in the world or evil people. Cultivating the practice of silence. There's a few key elements that go under this as well, and we'll start with the first one. It's patience and timing. Not every idea or plan needs immediate disclosure. Patience allows you to choose the right moment to share, maximizing impact and minimizing the risk that you might put yourself in. This strategic approach to timing ensures that your communications are effective and actually contribute positively to your success and your goals. Number 2 would be active listening. Listen more than you speak. There's a reason we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so that we listen more than we speak. This habit provides invaluable insights into market dynamics, what's going on in the world, and the intentions of others without revealing your own strategies prematurely. Always pay attention, observe, and listen. By actively listening, you gain a deeper understanding of your environment, people you might be doing business with, stakeholders, and enabling informed decision making and strategic adjustments accordingly. Selective sharing. Be deliberate in choosing whom you share your plans and information with. Think before you just share with anybody. Trusted advisors and partners can contribute meaningfully to your journey without compromising confidentiality or your success, or people that are very close to you in your circle that you do trust. So be very careful. This careful selection of confidants actually ensures that your strategic insights are used to the fullest potential, fostering a mutually productive collaborations for both you and the people you're sharing with, and minimizing the risks of information leakage. Because information is power, but it's only power if you have it and you are capable of applying it. Embracing discretion. You have to embrace it. Don't want or attempt to be famous and popular and be a loudmouth like a lot of people out there. Don't draw attention. Be confident and embrace the discretion as you're building. Know what to reveal and when and whom is extremely important. Transparency with strategic confidentiality protects your interest and also amplifies opportunities, but you have to be very strategic. By embracing discretion, you maintain a competitive edge while nurturing valuable relationships and opportunities for growth in this crazy world we live in. This is the last thing I want to say. The silent mastery of wealth emphasizes the importance of discretion and strategic action in your pursuit of financial success. By operating quietly, building and taking action in the shadows, and thoughtfully, you're actually protecting your vision, navigating complexities, and you're allowed to build lasting prosperity when you operate in this fashion. This approach not only protects you against unnecessary risks, but also positions you to seize opportunities with clarity and confidence when the time comes. In a world filled with noise, evil, jealousy, and competition, remember, moving in silence isn't just about keeping secrets. It's about securing your path to enduring wealth through deliberate and informed actions, as well as protecting your safety and your families. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon.